Welcome! If you are looking for fly spots for your DJI device, for the first we have to go for the DJI Fly application. And right now, let's click here on the fly spots. Right now we are in the China, so maybe we can change it for the United States. So let's go here for the North America. And right now scroll down all the way, then tap on the United States. And here we are. And if you wonder what it is, you have to click on the info icon, and then you got the zones with all of the description. And if you want to turn it on or just turn it off, for example the warning zones or the enchant warning zones, you have to click here to activate or deactivate it. So this is how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.